Yeah, so this is what we got. We're gonna open it up. Yes. So this is inches. Yeah. So we're going to open the other one. This is the actuator. Yes, let's just open this. You see that? We got some cable and some actuator here, and then we have this is opening actuator. Yes, you can see it. This is the trigger for the opening. Yes, and we have the. We're supposed to have the remote. We got the remote here. Yeah, we got all the inches here, the inches, the actuator, this is a trigger actuator for the opening, and this is the long actuator, shocks actuator. So we are going to fix this on this car. Yes, so let's get into it. I am going to go straight to the point because I've done this video before. I don't know why people are not seeing it. They're still asking me I should do video on each part what it work for. So but I'm doing this. I could have not do this, but because I'm doing this because this is automatic setup, which you can find it difficult to understand, but I'm going to show you how. I'm going to tell you everything how it works. Yes. This is the inches that hold the door in place. Yes, before fixing it you have to make sure that everything is tight. All this bolt is tight. Yes, apart from this you remove this you slack it. Make sure all this L and key is tight up. Yes, this is where you're going to mount it to the door, and this side, yes, let me take it off, and this side is the one that is going to be on the chassis. Yes, this is how you open and close, you open and close, and when you take it down, you open it, you lift it up like this. So this is how it works on this. Go to my other video, I explain this bolt, what it does, and I also explain okay, I also explain furthermore. So check out that video, you see it. I'll link it on the top of this video. And this is the shocks. It always come with 4 shocks. Yes, 2 for each side. You can see another 2 here for each side. Yes, and that is it. These are the extra nuts for the head, which maybe you don't need it, you don't really need it. And these are the extra, 2 for this side, 2 for this side, and this 4 for this side, 4 for this side for the extra. You don't really need those ones. So we're moving on to the automatic system. Yes, if you are fixing manual, this is all what you need. You don't need this, you just need only this to fix it in place, and that's all. So I'll move to the automatic kit. Yes, this is actuator. We call it actuator. It's actuator. Yes, this trigger the door to open, your door opening, by pulling on the hand. Yes, this is going to pull it out for you, open the door for you, for the car to be able to lift up. And this is the bracket, and this is a bracket. Yes, the other bracket. And this is the switch he has, and bolt, and all this. And also it has cable. This is cable, and this cable is the one that you're going to tighten it together to the pulling cable inside the door. Yes, and this is the trigger cable that you're going to connect to current, positive and negative. That's how it is. It's pretty straightforward fixing it. And the big one of it, this is the main actuator that will lift up your car. Yes, this will definitely lift the door up. You can see the edges here. You see the edges. These are the where you bolt it on. Yes, yes, you can easily adjust it. If you want it longer than this, or if you want it shorter, you turn it out or you turn it in. What is this? Sorry about this cock doing things there. You can see then there. So sorry about that. Okay, so this is the actuator. Yes, and this is the second one. It came with cables. You see cables and the socket and the bolt. We have the bolt here, and also it also came with the module for the remote that we trigger it to work. Yes, these are the thing that it came with. On the other side we have the same thing on the other side. So that is it on this video. I hope I covered everything. If you want how I explain how to fix this, is there on this video, a link up on the top of this video. So I hope this clarify everything on the Lambo door kit. So thank you for watching, guys. I'll see you on the next one. Everything 1 2 3 4. Yes, it's okay. You can as well use this line to measure the accurate. So right now I'm going to start losing the fender. Yes, bring out the fender to see what you are going to do. Yeah.